Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is October 31st. We're at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And guess what? This beast is still up on jack stands. You know why it's still up on jack stands? Because I spent from 8:30 to 6:30 yesterday working non-stop except for to get lunch on trying to get some parts of this vehicle apart. I still haven't got the pitman arm, and I'm not sure why it hasn't popped off yet. And I'm still trying to get this arm to break loose. You can see this right there. I just don't know what's going on. I think my inexperience is showing. So today, with the few hours I've got done early from work, we're going to see what we can get done. And hopefully this crazy project can get wrapped up. We'll see. But if I find any tricks, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Alright, we're going to try this again. Let's see if I can show you how I did it. Alright, let's pick a fork here. Get my light out of the way. Line that up in there. Get our tools out of the way. Get that out of the way. Alright. Put a little tension on the arm here. I got a new jack so far. Alright, so maybe with it that way, that'll kind of help us be able to get this in a little bit. Alright, let's see if it'll just drop for us. Oh, we got a leak there. At least they were holding grease. Ah. So this is the right size. I just gotta get it tapped all the way on there. Alright, come on. I'll get a good swing on that. This seems to be the top and the bottom here. What's going on? Get off! Oh, I forgot. I've got a little issue with the upper ball joint. It's dropped, but not as low as it needs to. I forgot about that. That'll help us if this is as loose as possible up here. Boost in energy now as it seems to be coming apart like it should. Where my 18 went? I don't see 18, 11 16 is working now. Huh. Okay. Oh, here's the 18. Ooh. See if the gearbox falls if we pull this out. Up or down? Good grief. I feel so dumb sometimes. That's definitely going the wrong way. Okay. Sorry, folks. Alright, so hopefully that'll be enough to get us off correctly. Now we can, that'll give enough room to drop as we hammer here. That didn't help. Might have to give the air hammer some time. Alright, time for the air hammer. Ah, man. Chewing up the, like I said. Woo. Alright, we'll give it another try here. We got it tensioned up a little bit more. Alright, we're going to go pause there, and we'll go back to the pitman arm here for a minute or so. Alright, so something I did real quick, just to make it easier for me and for the alignment guy, was these, let's see if there's a right around. There's little grooves on these cams here, so I don't know if you can see this one right here, but I put a Sharpie mark there where that pin rides. Now obviously, they'll need to make a little adjustments. There's another mark there, a mark there, and a mark on that one. So I just did that to make it a little easier down the road for the alignment guys, and for me. Still trying to figure out pitman arm. Things being a royal pain. I still gotta break this ball joint loose. So eventually we'll be done. I'm gonna loosen up these now and at least get one step ahead anyway.